Hello travelers, so today we're going to be doing a bit of an unboxing and first look at this here, which is the tomtoc T02 Packing Cube Set and the T66 40-litre backpack. Now I do also have this one here, which is the 28-litre version of the T66 backpack, and I've been using this one for a few trips carrying my laptop and stuff, and it's been very nice. But this is a slightly larger version, so I'll just show you a comparison between the sizing of the two. But just before we get into that, I just thought I'd do an unboxing and hands-on first look at this. So I haven't actually looked at this yet myself, so I'll be looking at this at the same time with you. So from what I understand, there are 3 packing cubes, and yes, you can see the size capacity of each one there. So this is the smaller 3-litre one, and it has a nice grab handle, so that is always really good. For when you're packing, having a grab handle to be able to pull it out of the bag is very nice. And these are, it's very lightweight, so that is also really good. So it's not going to weigh you down with what you pack in there. Looks like that would be great for sort of socks, underwear, maybe even electronics. So this one here is the 8-litre version. This one also has a little handle there, which is great. So they appear to all be a square sort of size, and I have been told that they are designed in such a way that they fit perfectly in the 40-litre backpack. So this one has the kind of pull to unzip opening, and it looks like it's a clear sort of mesh material on 2 sides. This one may also be compressible. Let me just have a look. There's another zip here on the bottom. So I would say that is possibly a compressible one. Yeah, so just taking a look, this is what they are calling a separation, so it's like a laundry sort of one. So the clean is on one side and the dirty is on another side. So obviously you pull the clean ones from one side, and then once you're ready to wash them, you can separate them in the 2 compartments. So interesting design choice there. And then this is the 10-litre one. And so this also has a nice little grab handle there. This also has 2 zips, so 1 zip around the bottom here I can see. So that appears to be a compressible sort of zip. This appears to make it a larger or smaller size. Oh yeah, so the small one is perfect for underwear, socks and other essentials. The clean and dirty cube separates fresh and worn, and the compression cube, bulky items like jackets or sweaters can be easily compressed for packing. So that is a look at what they look like in the bag. So let's take a look inside the box here. And this is where we have the silver version of the 40-litre backpack. This one has a really nice metallic logo there. I'm not sure if the other one has that. Let me grab it and have a look. Actually, yes. So this one has a little black metallic version. I hadn't noticed that. So the silver one has a silver one, which kind of stands out, looks really nice. And basically I did review this backpack a while ago. I think it was the 40-litre one, but not in this color. So this does appear to be a new color. So it has the compression clips on each side, and then it expands and has a water bottle pocket on this side. And then on this side, it has more compression. So let me just loosen that. But it actually appears to have a second water bottle pocket. So this side also has a water bottle pocket, which is great because I know a lot of you like to have water bottle pockets. There is a single zipper compartment on the front. So this bag is designed a bit like a duffel. So that's what it looks like there. So it has a grab handle on top, and just next to that you have a small stash pocket on top. So the rear of this bag is the laptop and tech organization. So you have a strap there and a couple of pockets, so laptop, 2 laptops or a laptop and a tablet. And you have some mesh organization. I believe you can open this here all the way, so that gives you full access to your laptop there, and then a mesh pocket which you could put charging cables and stuff like that. Now there's actually 2 ways into the main compartment, so you can go through this back one like this, and then you have this panel here which folds down to make the bottom rigid. That gives you more space there to open up the bag. So that is one way you can pack it through the back, is through the front. So you have the two zips here, and then you have your main sort of duffel compartment there, and this is that section that holds it open. So that's sort of like a collapsible floor if you did want to make it like a smaller, you know, if you weren't carrying as much and you just want to use it as like a laptop bag. So let's just quickly also see how these packing cubes fit in. So I don't have anything in them at the moment, but the dimensions of them, yeah, it just fits really nicely down there. So as I understand, these, when they are all fully packed, you should be able to stack all three of them fully loaded inside the bag there. I'm kind of curious if they also would fit into the 28 litre. I believe it's not designed for this, but let's just have a quick look. So this is the 8 litre bag. I think you could definitely squeeze them in, especially if you weren't carrying all that much stuff. So yeah, it does look like to me that these also would be able to squeeze and fit nicely into the 28 litre version as well as the 40 litre version. So that is it there, quick hands-on and first look at the packing cubes here from tomtoc. Thank you so much for watching. If you do want to stay subscribed to see these ones in action later on, I'll be doing a full video with them fully packed out as well later on down the track. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for the next one.